In this video, I'm going to show two additional jump animations that I didn't show in the last video. So the first one's sort of a wobble animation where he's sort of trying to catch his balance as he's flying through the air, and it's a looped animation. So here I am playing it in Maya, and I'll rotate so we can see it from different angles. So of course you'll be seeing it from the back. And I've also sped this up in the engine so it runs a little faster than what you're seeing here in Maya. But as I said, it's just a simple wobbling animation. The second animation is a somersault that he does when he's flying through the air. So I'll just play that one. So as you can see, it's nice and smooth. I'll rotate it so that we can see from various angles. And I'll single step it so that we can see everything that he's up to. So there he's preparing to get into his tuck. And he's got his hands around his knees and is in his tuck. And then he comes out into his landing position. So as you can see, even though it moves fairly quickly, there's quite a bit of detail going on. And as you can see, both of these animations are in place, so I'm responsible for updating the position of the character as he jumps through the world. And in the next part of this video, I'll actually show the animations running in our little test bed that I use so that we can critique the animations as we're iterating through them. So that'll be in the next part of the video. Alright, in this section of the video, I show the somersault, which just happened. And again, this is just the test bed where I look at the animations from different angles, which I should be doing right now. I can turn it around and then look at the new animation. And from what you saw in Maya, I've actually slowed it down a little bit so it doesn't run as fast as it does in Maya, and I'll probably tweak that some more as I add this into the player controller. But for now, this is the somersault that the player does when he's running through the world occasionally. It's done randomly in the player controller. And the next section of this video, I'll show the animation where he's sort of wobbling and trying to balance himself. Alright, here's the wobble animation that he'll play as he's trying to balance himself through the air. And it runs a little faster than what I showed in Maya. Again, I just speed these up in the engine as we do testing in the test bed. So I'll do a little bit of a turntable so that we can see the animation. So then he just blends into his run. So again, it alternates randomly between these animations that we've just come up with. So now I have all the animations necessary to do the jumping. So that's what I'm going to implement in the player controller next. The whole response to jump command from the player. And then that's probably what I'll show in the next video. Thanks and bye.